Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In our previous class, we have been discussed about the population explosion. What is the meaning of population explosion and what are the reasons for the population explosion? And even we have been discussed what are the measures we have been adopted in order to control the overpopulation. So today's class, let us discuss about the next topic, that is birth control or contraception. So first of all, we know what is the meaning of contraception. So contraception is nothing but the prevention of conception is called as contraception. Conception means what? Pregnancy. So prevention of pregnancy is called as contraception. So already we have been discussed about the family planning. So family planning, it is a method, it is adopted by human beings in order to avoid the more number of children in the family, and even in order to give the space between one children to the another children. So that is the meaning of family planning, which has been organized by the government. So in this family planning, so what happened is the pregnancy we can avoid, and what are the devices we are applying in order to avoid this pregnancy, that condition we are calling it as a contraception. So what is the meaning of contraception? Means prevention of conception. Conception is nothing but pregnancy. Conception means what here? Pregnancy. Prevention of pregnancy is called as contraception. Just now as I said you here. And what is the meaning of contraceptive method? Means contraception means avoiding of the pregnancy, we are calling it as a contraception. And what is the meaning of contraceptive methods? Means, so in order to avoid the pregnancy, which are the methods or which are the devices we are using, the devices here, that methods we are calling it as a contraceptive methods. So any method of sexual intercourse which prevents the conception is called as contraceptive method. So what is the meaning of contraceptive method? Means any method of a sexual intercourse. So whatever the method we are adopting in order to avoid the conception or in order to avoid the pregnancy, whichever the method we are adopting, that method we are calling it as a conception method, and avoiding the pregnancy is called as conception. Which are the method we are following in order to avoid the pregnancy is called as contraceptive method. So that is the difference between the contraception and contraceptive method. Contraception means preventing the pregnancy is called as contraception. Contraceptive method means avoiding the pregnancy by using the different methods is called as contraceptive method. And contraceptive method is nothing but family planning is the one of the contraceptive method. So just now as I said you here, so contraceptive method, in order to avoid the varieties of contraceptive method, we have adopted the family planning. And what is the benefit we are getting the family planning? Means we can avoid the more number of children in the family. So instead of getting the more children and increasing a big family, so we can decrease the family members in the family members in a family, and even we can give the space between one children to the another children. So that is we are calling it as a what is family planning. So hence family planning, even what we are calling is we are calling it as a spacing method. Even family planning, what we are calling family planning, even we are calling it as a spacing method, because from this family planning we are giving the space between one children to the other children. Instead of getting every year one child, we can give the space between the one child to the another child at least 3 years or 4 years or 5 years or 6 years. So how many years we want, so that much years we can give the space between the one children to the other children. So that's why even family planning, what we are calling it as a spacing method. Now different types of contraceptive method it is present. Just now as I said you, what is the meaning of contraceptive method? Means, so which are the method we are adopted in order to avoid the conception or pregnancy is called as contraceptive method. So totally, so we have 4 different types of a contraceptive method. So how many contraceptive methods are there? Totally 4 types of contraceptive methods are present here. So we can adopt any one among this here. Which are those 4? Means one is the natural method, another one is again is the mechanical method, third one is the chemical method, and fourth is the terminal method. So these are the 4 methods. So through this these are the 4 methods we are calling it as a contraceptive methods. By these methods we can avoid the more number of children, and even we can give the space between the one child to the another child here. So this contraceptive method, it will comes in which group? Means it will comes in the families planning. So with the help of this family planning, by the natural or mechanical or chemical or terminal method, we can avoid the more number of children. Now let us discuss what is the meaning of a natural natural method. So how we can avoid the space, how we can avoid the children, more number of children by using this method. Next mechanical method, next chemical method, next terminal. So like this one by one let us discuss. First we will discuss about the natural method. So first method is what here? First method is the natural method. So natural method, or else even we are calling it as a traditional method. Natural method, even what we are calling natural method, even we are calling it as a traditional method. So this is a method which is adopted by the couples in order to avoid the children. So what is this means? The name itself it will shows what is the meaning. Natural means by nature itself we are avoiding the children. So let us see how we are avoiding the children here. So these are the methods of birth control without using any device or medicines. So it includes the following method. So natural method or traditional method. So it is a method. In this method, the couples are not using any devices here, or else even they are not using any medicines to avoid the children here. By the nature itself, by the naturally, so they are avoiding the children here. So keep remember, in natural or traditional method, we are not using any devices. The couples they are not using any device, or they are not using any medicines to avoid the pregnancy here. Directly with the natural method, so they are what they are doing means they are avoiding the pregnancy. So in this natural method, 3 types are there. So in this natural method, how many types are there? 3 types are there. Let us discuss one by one here. In natural method, first type it is there. So first type what we are calling? First type we are calling it as a rhythm method, or else even we are calling it as a calendar method. First type what we are calling? First type we are calling it as a rhythm method, or else even we are calling it as a calendar method. So this contraceptive method, it is adopted by the female. This method, it is followed by whom is? It is followed by the female, not by the male. So it is this method, it is followed by whom is? It is adopted by the female. So even we are calling it as a calendar method. That means how we are adopting this method means the female, she should know about her menstrual cycle. So she should know, so her menstrual cycle, the particular dates she know here. By using that method, she can avoid the pregnancy here. So let us discuss about this method. So first of all, it is a natural method of birth control. Just now as I said here, it will comes in the nature. It is come because menstrual cycle, it is held by the nature. It is not made by the human beings. Naturally, it is given. It is a God gift here. It is given by the God. So that's why the name also we are given it as a natural. We have been given. So because menstrual cycle is also a natural. So it is a natural method of birth control. But it requires the female. She should know the knowledge of her menstrual cycle. Just now I said here, the female, if she want to avoid the children by using this method, means she should know her knowledge about the menstrual cycle. So in this method, so a week before or week after the menstrual cycle is supposed to be safe period for the intercourse here. So what they are telling here, keep remember this concept here. So in this method, the female, she should can go for her intercourse when she in this method. So when the female, she can go for her intercourse or copulation means, so menstrual cycle 1 week before and menstrual cycle after the menstrual cycle 1 week here. Suppose here example I will tell you here. So you know very well here, in already have been discussed in our previous class also here about the menstrual cycle. So menstrual cycle, it contains 4 periods, 1 to 5 we are calling it as a bleeding phase we are calling. Next second we are calling it as a pre-ovulatory phase, third one we are calling it as a ovulatory phase, and fourth we are calling it as a post-ovulatory phase here. So you know very well, have you remember 1 to 5 we are calling it as a bleeding phase. So in the female body, the bleeding it will be held here. Next 6 to 13th what we are calling it as a pre-ovulatory phase, and 14th we are calling it as a ovulatory phase here. Ovulatory phase we are calling, because here ovulation it will be take place. That means here egg will be released in her body. And next 15 to last 29 we are calling it as a post ovulatory phase. The female, she should know the knowledge about this one. Now when by using this natural method, which is the safe method for her intercourse means, so 1 week before her bleeding and 1 week after her bleeding here. That means here 1 to 5 the bleeding phase it will be present. 1 week after the bleeding, that means here it will comes to 6 to 10. 1 week means it will comes here 6 to 10. See here I mentioned here 1 to 5 in her periodic cycle. 1 to 5 days is the bleeding phase here. Next 6 to 10th day, so it will be the safe period. So in this period, so where the safe period is there, the female she can go for her intercourse here. She can go for the copulation. It is a safe period we are calling, because here in this period egg will not be released in the female body. So if there is no egg means no copulation. So that's why we are calling it as a safe period here. But after the 10th of her menstrual cycle, it is an unsafe period, because here 11 to 20 is the unsafe period. Why we are calling it as 11 to 20 is the unsafe period means, so the 14th day of the menstrual cycle, so what it will be happen, the egg it will be released here. 14th day menstrual cycle you have been studied here. So in that menstrual cycle 14th day what happened, the egg will be released here. And as I said you here, so egg lifespan, as you know very well, 24 hours is the egg lifespan it is present. How much is the 24 hours is the lifespan. So when in this period what happened means egg will be released. So in this period here 11th to 20th day, so after menstrual cycle, if such type of female, so she will go for her intercourse means definitely there is a chance of getting her a conceiveness or pregnancy. So that's why this period we are calling it as a unsafe period. So which is the safe period means after the bleeding, as soon as 1 to 5 days the bleeding it will be present. After the 5th day, 6 to 10th day is the safe period, because here egg will be not present in this period. In this period egg will be not released in the female body. So that's why we are calling it as a safe period. Next year after to 21st to 28, that means it will comes here, so bleeding phase, before the bleeding phase, because after 28 again what happened, again the menstrual cycle, new menstrual cycle it will get start, because 28 or 29th it will get varies here. So up to 28 here finish means next new menstrual cycle it will get start. 1 to 5 again the bleeding phase it will be held, just now as I said you here, 1 to where it is 1 to 5 days the bleeding phase it will be present. So that's why what happened means, what I said means, when this what's here, this method it safe method means, so 1 week before the menstrual cycle, where I written here, see, so when it is the safe period for this means, so in this method a week before and a week after the menstrual cycle, a week before and a week after the menstrual cycle. A week before menstrual cycle means this it will come 6 to 10 days we are calling it as a safe period. A week after means menstrual cycle, before means this one it will come, after means that it will come. Before means 21st to 28 days here. In this period egg will not be present, because already egg has been released and it has been died because of her lifespan. So next year in this period there is no egg, so that's why we are calling it as a safe period. So now here if the intercourse if it taken place also, the sperm if they take entry into the female body also, there is no egg to fuse. The sperms it will be remains in the female body, and automatically they will also get a die after their lifespan has been finished here. So that's why this is the safe period. And as I said in my previous class also, what is the availability or lifespan of the what MS ovum is? Ovum is egg is 24 hours, whereas sperm is 42 hours. In your notes it has been given the 24 only, just to change that one, not 24 here, it is the 42 hours it will comes here. Sorry 48 hours. 24 plus 24 2 days means 48 hours it will comes. 48 hours. So what is the lifespan means 48 hours. In your notes they have been given here also 24 hours it has given, but it is wrong here. So sperm lifespan is 48 hours, whereas the egg lifespan is 24 hours. So in this period already the egg has been released and it has been died here, so there is no egg. So that's why if the female if she go for intercourse in this period, it is a safe period. So that's why a week before, so who will come before this, it will comes before a week before the and a week after the menstrual cycle, which is the after, this is the after, a week before or a week after, which is the after this, after it is the safe period. So that's why I written here 6 to 10th day is the safe period. Keep remember this dates here, because it is important for your NEET. In your NEET they may be asked which is the safe in the traditional method or calendar method, which is the safe period for the intercourse. So that means a 6 to 10th day it is the safe period, and next 21st to 28 is the safe period here. So the female they can go in this method. So who can go means the female, she should know her the knowledge here. If today she has become a what a menstrual cycle, it has been started in her body means, so up to 5 days, after 5 days, 1 week she can go her intercourse here. Or else she know the date of her menstrual cycle means 1 week before she can go for a intercourse here. So this type of method we are calling it as a traditional method. So in this method we are not using any device, or even we are not using any medicines here. Just by knowing the knowledge of the menstrual cycle, the female, she can avoid her pregnancy here. So this is one of the good method, but this it is not an perfect method. Absolutely will not get the correct result here. So if that's right, because here the menstrual cycle of the women is not so absolutely regular, because 100% will not get the result from this method. We can avoid here, but every time we will not get the correct result here, good result we will not get. Why we will not get here means, because 100% we can't tell that menstrual cycle it will be held in that same manner. So due to the body condition, automatically the variation it may be take place here. That time the dates it may get a change here, as you know very well here. So every month we will not get the menstrual cycle in that same day, we will not get here. So little bit changes it will get here. If today's in one female, it this month 14 if it has appear here means, next month it may get to change, it may get change to 16, or it may get change to 15 or 17, or early it may be taken place. So like that changes it may be taken place. So due to that situation, 100% result will not get from this things here. There is a chance of getting the conceiveness here, but this is also one of the method we can avoid this pregnancy, so which we are calling as a natural method. So this is one method is finish here. Second type of natural method is coitus interruption method here. I will see one we are calling as a withdrawal method. So this method it is held by the male. This method it is held by whom means, it is held by the male here. So rhythmic method it is done by the female due to the knowledge of the menstrual cycle. So this method coitus interruption method it is done by the male here. So that means even we are calling it as a withdrawal. It is also one of the natural method of birth control, so which is practiced by whom means, it is practiced by the males, it will practice here. So in this method what happens means, during the intercourse period, so here in menstrual cycle concept it will not come here. Whenever the couples will go for her intercourse here, so in this period what happens means, so during the intercourse, when the what happens means, during this intercourse what happens means, in the couple during the intercourse, when the penis is inserted into the vagina, so just before the semen will be released, so it should be ejaculated here. Just before the ejaculation of the semen, it should be eliminated. So in this manner what happens means, we can avoid the pregnancy. So as the semen is releasing here, that time what happens means, it should what means the penis or what external genitalia should be eliminated from the vagina. So in this manner we can avoid the pregnancy. But all these things it will be depends on the willpower of the male here. So as the men willpower it is there to control the semen, so we cannot go for this method. But here also we will not get the 100% result here. Many times the male is unable to identify the release of the semen here, so automatically the semen will be released into the female body. So that time there is a chance of getting the pregnancy here. So that's why it is also one of the natural method. So but this method it can be followed, but 100% result will not get from this method. And all these things it will be held due to the strong willpower of the male here, because so it is due to the ability of that or else strength of the male, then it will depend here, because the male it should eliminate at the correct time here. We should avoid the release of the semen into the vagina. So that's why it will depends on the male power, it will be result. So this method we are calling it as a coitus interruption method, or else even we are calling it as a withdrawal method. This is the second type of what is natural method. So third type, another one type it is there, so which is not there in your notes here. This third type it is not mentioned in your notes here, but it is there in your textbook here. So there's not this one. Read from your textbook. So it is also one of the important method, natural method, which is the natural method means it is given in your page number 60. So given in your which page number? Page number 60, we can go for this method. So which is another natural method means lactational amniore. So this is important question for your exam. Keep remember this one in natural method. So this method maximally they'll ask the question about from this topic here, lactation amniore. So lactation amniore means absence of the menstrual cycle. So in the female body, so as you know very well, so when the egg will be released means egg will be released in the female body due to the menstrual cycle. If there is no menstrual cycle means no egg will be released in the female. So that's why, so when the absence of the menstrual cycle, when the menstrual cycle will be absent in the female body means during the lactation period, as soon as the mother she has given birth to the young ones, that means after the parturition, so what happens means the mother will go for the lactation period. That means here the mother she will feed her young ones, with the mother milk here, and that condition we are calling it as a lactation. As the mother she is feeding for the young ones here, so till she will feed her young ones with the mother milk, so till that, so menstrual cycle it will not be held in the female body. So that's why we are calling it as a lactation amniore. As the menstrual cycle it is not take place in the female body, that period will be the safe period for the intercourse. So at that time, so there is no chance of getting the pregnancy. So that's why we are calling it as a lactation amniore. So what is the meaning of lactation amniore means absence of the menstrual cycle. When the menstrual cycle will be absent here means during the time of the lactation, when the after the parturition, another time I am repeating here, after the parturition, as the child birth it will take place, the mother she will feed for her young ones with the mother milk here. So that is we are calling it as a lactation. As the mother she is feeding here, so feeding should be a intense here. So keep remember this one here, feeding it should be in a intense here. As the mother she is feeding her young ones in a large quantity means then only the menstrual cycle it will get a stop in her body. Mother she will feed her young ones with a breast feeds here. That means a child fully, such a mother if she feed her young ones with a fully means then only the menstrual cycle it will get a stop in her body. Maximum she should feed to her young ones here, and this period it will be remains up to the 6 months here. So in this 6 months, so that female she will not become she will not get any menstrual cycle. So after the parturition till 6 months in her body the menstrual cycle it will get a stop. So that's why in this 6 months it will be the safe period for her copulation or intercourse here. So in this period she will not go for her conceiveness or the pregnancy. That's why here they are given here. So absence of menstrual cycle method is based on the fact that ovulation, and therefore the cycle do not occur during this period of intense lactation for the parturition. So after the parturition the mother she should go for the intense lactation she should go here. So due to that intense lactation, mother she should feed her young ones in a large quantity, then only it will get stop here. If the mother she is not feeding her young ones properly means automatically the periodic cycle it will be start in her body. So that's why during the intense lactation only this period will get stopped. And what is the maximum period for this one means 6 months here. Keep remember this one here. So however this method has been reported to effectively only up to maximum 6 months here, only up to the 6 months of the parturition. As the parturition period up to 6 months, if the mother she is going for the intense means only up to 6 months here. How many months? Keep remember this one, 6 months only. So till the 6 months it will be the safe period if she go for the lactation. Afterwards again in her body automatically the menstrual cycle it will get a start in her body. So all these things it will be influenced due to the hormones in her body. So that's why this period we are calling it as a lactation amniore. And this is also one of the natural method, because in this method we are not using any medicines or devices in order to avoid the menstrual cycle here. As there is no menstrual cycle, so that's why it is a good time for the intercourse to avoid the pregnancy. So this is also one of the natural method. So 3 types of natural method are there here, just as I said you here. One is the rhythmic method, another one is the coitus interruption method, and third one is the lactation amniore. And lactation amniore it is not there in your notes, you have to read by your textbook, so which is given in your page number 60. So this is one of the method we have been finished here. We are calling it as a natural method. Next we will go for the next method. What we are calling is, we are calling it as a mechanical method, or else even we are calling it as a barrier method. So this method will discuss in a tomorrow class, next class.